Here's a tip for you. Imagine that you've just done a piece and you dripped all this resin all over your silicone board, and you want to do another piece, so you don't want to have to clean it because it's such a mess. So what you do, just lay some paper over the top of it, and the resin from underneath will soak up onto the paper, as well as whatever drips you create with your new piece, and then just pull it all off. It comes off, all of it comes off on the paper and leaves you a nice clean board. Now I've already had some little dusty bits and pieces on the board, that's what's left behind, but other than that all the resin is picked up and good to go again. Another tip, see these were used for holding my colors in there. Don't throw them away because there are little beauties on the bottom of these cups, and they pop out real easy out of these plastic cups. And look at that, you can use them. That it would be such a waste to throw away. Look. So you can use them as like little moons or little planets or any kind of texture that you can put on your piece. So just pop them out, let them sit and dry and cure completely so they're rock hard, and then store them away somewhere until you need them. So there was 2 tips for you. Hope you have a good day. Bye. And these little cups, you just press and until you hear a click, and then you release, and look at that. Now you can cut them. They create these perfect little rings, which you can also use. They're all different ones. Look at that. Use them as texture and building character in your art piece. This one, what to do? Maybe crush it down. Okay, so I broke that now, but that's all right. I still have some nice rings. A bit hard to do this with my left hand. Look at that. You can trim those. There you have it.